Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me. Let's learn Stroll Along Cha Cha Cha. Fun beginner, 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. Here's a preview of the fun steps. Starts with the left foot. We do a cross rock, recover, and a cha cha cha. Right foot cross, recover, and a cha cha cha, and a weave. Left, rock, recover, and a cha-cha, weave. Right, rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha. Half, pivot, cha-cha-cha. Quarter, pivot, cha-cha-cha. New wall. Let's break it down. First 8, starting with the left foot. Bows on my right boot to help you. So we cross rock, then we cha-cha-cha in place, left, right, left. Then we do the same thing with the right foot. Cross, rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Yes, and the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Moving on, we're going to do a weave to the right, starting with our left foot. And a weave is cross in front, cross in back. So I cross with my left foot, step to the side with my right. Left foot's free to cross in the back. Step to the right. All my weight's on my right foot, so I can cross rock and cha-cha-cha with the left foot. Cross rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha. Right foot's free to do the same thing going to the left with a weave. Front, side, behind, side, cross, and a cha-cha-cha. Actually, that's the second and third 8 because they're the same. They mirror each other. So the second 8 is the cross front, cross back, left rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha. Good. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we just do the same thing, moving left, starting with the right foot. Front, side, behind, side, cross rock, recover, and a right, left, right. And the counts are, on the third 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put the first 3 together, starting with the left foot, with a cross rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha. Right foot, cross rock, recover, and a cha-cha, weave. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, and a cha-cha-cha. Go left, and a rock, and a cha-cha-cha. Great. Let's move on. So we just did our cha-cha-cha going right, left, right. So my left foot's free to do a step out, half pivot. So I step forward with the left, change weight, turning half over my right shoulder, putting the weight all on my right foot. So it's a pivot. And then we get to do a cha-cha-cha again. So your left foot's free. So we, in place, cha-cha-cha. Right foot's free. We're going to do a quarter pivot and a cha-cha-cha. So step forward, change your weight to your left and turn over your left shoulder. Now cha-cha-cha with the right foot. Cha-cha-cha. Yes, and the left foot's ready to start again. So the last 8, we just came out of our weave with our rock, cross rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha. Left foot's free. Do a half pivot over our right shoulder. Half, pivot, and a cha-cha-cha. Now quarter, pivot, and a cha-cha-cha. One more time with the feet. So it's left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Yes, and the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. One more time with counts. The fourth 8, starting with the left foot because it's free. All your weight's on your right foot. So we do pivot, step, cha-cha-cha, right, left, cha-cha-cha. Let's put it all together. From the top with words and then with counts. 5, 6, 7, left foot, cross, rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha. Right, cross, rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha. And a weave. Front, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, and a cha-cha to the left. Front, side, behind, side, cross. Now we half pivot. Left, half turn, cha-cha-cha. Right, half turn, and a cha-cha-cha. Good. With counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. New wall. So with the clock, this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, and this is 9. So our new wall is wall 3. So it's our new wall, 3 o'clock wall, but it's our second wall. So let's try it. With the left foot, same steps, new wall. With our left foot, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a rock, recover, and a cha-cha-cha, and a rock, recover, and a cha-cha to your right. Front, side, behind, side, cross, and a cha-cha. Same thing going left. Front, side, behind, side, cross, and a cha-cha-cha. Half, pivot, cha-cha-cha. Quarter, pivot, and a cha-cha-cha. Our new wall is now our 6 o'clock wall. We just repeat it over and over and over. How fun. No tags, no restarts. Can't wait to see you doing the Stroll Along Cha on the dance floor. Thank you for joining me. Bye.